The rainbow is a division of white light into many beautiful colors. These take the shape of a long round arc.
Rainbow passage. When the sunlight strikes raindrops in the air, they act as a prism and form a rainbow. So I think my happiest memory after surgery was about 7 weeks into recovery. I accidentally sneezed for the first time and I just heard my new voice and I was just shocked. It was nothing like my old voice. I was really happy about that one. My singing, I had to relearn it. I really had to relearn it from the start. I think my range got a little bit smaller, just a tiny little bit. But in exchange for having much more consistent, higher singing voice, which I much prefer. Exercises. I've done my exercises. I've done them for a few months. There are days I skipped, definitely, but they didn't really change my pitch. My pitch was kind of like this from as soon as I stopped my voice rest. Exercises helped my resonance the most. It helped me sound more natural, and I really recommend doing them and sticking to them. But the pitch is kind of perfect from the get-go. And finally, story, if you want to go there yourself, definitely order the pumpkin soup. The pumpkin soup after surgery was some of the best pumpkin soup I've had. Thank you very much.